Okay, Lameez, so tell us, what is emotional freedom technique?
Yes. So what is, emotional freedom technique is it's a very easy and simplistic yet effective, powerful tool that you can use by just simply tapping on certain body parts. So you get here, you tap there, the side of the eye, underneath the eye, underneath the nose, chin, and your collarbone. And that is this other tapping points, but I love using this and on this wrist that you can take. And there's no right or wrong by saying, am I doing it right, am I doing it wrong? And it's just so simplistic, but it's yet so very
Okay, Lameez, can you indicate to us the different pointers that one can use when doing EFT tapping?
Okay, so very simplistic. Like I said before, there's no right and wrong because a lot of people get confused. So you can tap on the head. All our organs are connected. So all our organs, especially the bladder, is on the head. So you can just tap like that all around the head, just like that. And then your eyebrow. It's good to measure because you see your nose comes like that. It's also good to take your two fingers like that and tap like that. So you can tap either with one hand or you can tap with both, it doesn't matter. I love using both hands, but if I get tired, I switch over. So you can start, because you can get tired.
Yeah.
So you can your left hand side or you can do your right hand side, it doesn't matter which side you use. So you see your eyebrow, you can just look at that and tap there, and then on the side, how you feel that. I see that the guide is to the end of your eyebrow.
Yes.
Yeah, so then there's like a bone and like sort of a dent or so. You can tap there with your two fingers, like either one, your right hand, your left hand side. And then underneath the eye, tap it like that. And then underneath the nose, which is, it's easy because it's just underneath that. And then your chin is also easy because it's just like a line with your chin. And then your collarbone, and these two bony things, your collarbone, two bones here, and then just underneath that bone there. Also very good for fat training. So you can just tap like that, all around like that. You can go just so you just get your guideline, your collarbone, these two bones, and then just below that collarbone. We also have our hand, which it's called the karate chop point, so you can tap as well there. And also I would say, your 4 fingers, you can just tap like that. It doesn't matter, 3 fingers, so just tap. I like to point my fingers like that. There is like it. Can you see that there's a slight sensation there if you do that? So yes, you can do your right hand side, the left, and then your wrist. This is, to feel safe. So if you're feeling unsafe, it's good to do that. And I find that the collarbone also to calm yourself, especially what I see in people if they suffer anxiety, just to calm you down. People because of stress, because of worry, and it's just so easy to calm this. You will immediately see how by just tapping on your collarbone, how you have some comfort in the body, how your body is calming down, and then you're able to breathe. And I find that once you do this EFT tapping, therapy, you can find better solutions to your problem. You can actually come out of your situation, focusing not on the problem but focusing on the solution, on how to move forward and how to be in a stress-free situation.
Fabulous. Wonderful.